Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Skimlinks merchant tracking list, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Skimlinks account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the settings section located in the left-hand menu. Under settings, select merchant tracking. You will see your current list of tracked merchants. To update this list, click on the Manage Merchants button. Here, you can add new merchants for tracking. To do this, use the search bar to find the merchant you want to add. Type the merchant's name and hit Enter. Once you find the desired merchant, click the Add button next to their name. If you want to remove a merchant from your list, locate them in the current tracking list. Click the Remove button next to the merchant you wish to delete. After making your changes, be sure to save your updates. Look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to finalize your updates. Now your merchant tracking list is updated. You can revisit this list anytime to make further changes. Keep your list current to ensure optimal tracking and performance. Regularly check for new merchants and adjust your list accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.